Okay, Team Kamikaze, some sensational driving up through here on the opposite rock garden. Huge off camber, wheels all over the shop. Another wheel in the air there. Injected V8 working hard with these IROC Super Swampers. Diff stuck hard on that big rock. Looking for the 50-point marker. Gives us some numbers. These guys are pushing hard. I like their driving style. Kamikaze boys avoiding the bonus line, coming round through the 80-point gate. Nicely off camber. Navigator is taking a good close look at the rocks, working out the best way through. He's going to put him straight up the guts of it. Time is caught. Unfortunately, we don't get to see more numbers from Team Kamikaze, but that's a great run. 80 points. Well done, guys.